YouTube, what's going on? It's Jamar back from Vegas Sense. I got a brand new comparison video today. In this video, I'm comparing a clone to a by Kilian fragrance. So go ahead and if you're brand new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Also leave a like and a comment below. And also if you find the information in the video helpful, go ahead and share the video. All right, so this particular fragrance, this is another Emper Perfumes fragrance. This goes by the name of Falling in Love. And as you can see, this definitely strikes a really nice resemblance to what the by Kilian, presentation looks like. So you've got the name of the fragrance on the front. There's nothing on any of the sides or the top of the bottom except for this sort of QR code sticker here. And then you've got the name of the fragrance and the ingredients on the back. All right, and then to get to the fragrance, you just take this top part off here. And as you can see, the fragrance sits inside the box coffin style like that. And you can definitely see, man, this is definitely very close to, the by Kilian bottles. All right. This is a 100 ml bottle. I know most of the by Kilian bottles, or I'm not sure if it's all of them that come in this particular bottle style. I believe they're all like 50 ml bottles. So this one definitely has like a thicker type of look to it. But, it looks pretty nice in my opinion. All right. So this particular fragrance, to my nose, it comes across as being like a sort of nutty, sweet, floral type of scent. In my opinion, this is definitely one that's more so for the ladies. I guess technically you can say any fragrance is, unisex and anyone can wear anything. I personally wouldn't wear this. I would definitely, more so prefer to smell this on, a woman. But at the end of the day, you could do what you want. So I'm gonna spray these on. And as I've mentioned before, with Emper Perfumes bottles, sprayers on these are absolutely amazing. So kudos to Emper Perfumes on their sprayers. All right, so we've got the by Kilian over here, and we've got the Emper Perfumes right here. Now, right off the top, the Falling in Love by Emper Perfumes is definitely stronger than the by Kilian's Rolling in Love. The Falling in Love also smells slightly more synthetic than the by Kilian, but that's to be expected. The Falling in Love is a $21 fragrance on thebellperfumes.com. The by Kilian, for half the amount of juice, I don't know exactly what the price is on that one, but I'm sure it's probably around $300+. So there's definitely a huge price difference. In terms of smell, though, these are really close. They really are. Like I said, the Falling in Love is definitely, you can tell it's a little bit more synthetic. It's not as smooth. But it's coming off as being louder. And maybe there's a slight bit more kind of sweetness to it. Now, also, probably after about the first 30 seconds or so, you start to get like this sort of nutty type of smell from the by Kilian. It's like this really smooth, nutty, sort of lactonic type of smell. You also sort of get that from the Falling in Love by Emper Perfumes, but it definitely doesn't smell as believable or as natural at all. But the one thing that I can definitely maintain is the Falling in Love is definitely a lot stronger than what this is. So for some women, that may be a good thing. For some, that may be a bad thing. I know there are some women that, and not even just women, just people in general, that do not like, sort of loud types of fragrances, because they're really sensitive to, loud smells. So if you're one of those people, then maybe the Emper Perfumes version, that might not be for you. But I can definitely tell that the Emper Perfumes definitely has a lot more sort of lasting power and strength than what the by Kilian has. And like I said, right now at this point, the by Kilian is sort of like in this kind of lactonic, sort of nutty phase. And with the Kilian, you get sort of like a nutty vibe, but it almost kind of comes off as kind of like almost kind of metallic, sort of. Whereas with this one, this smells a lot more natural. So yeah, those are the main differences that I get in the opening. Now, once these two dry down, I think that's where the Falling in Love by Emper Perfumes, I think that's when that one really shines. So once these two dry down, to my nose, they are at least probably within 90% of each other, possibly even closer than that. Basically, the way that the two fragrances both smell in the dry down is you do sort of get like this iris note. It's not like a super powdery iris. So I mean, I think with it not being super powdery, that's what kind of leads this to be possibly like more of a unisex type of fragrance. Like I said, I personally wouldn't wear this as a man, but I could maybe see, maybe some men being able to pull this off if they just absolutely love the way it smells. But yeah, basically this one, as well as the by Kilian, they sort of dry down to this sort of sweet iris, vanilla tonka bean type of, mixture. And it just comes off as being sort of floral, sweet, and aromatic. This one definitely comes off as being a little bit more dense than what the by Kilian is. And so again, if you don't really like, loud, kind of strong, dense fragrances, this one is probably not going to be for you. But if you do like that and you like your fragrances to perform, you want to be smelled by other people around you, I think this is definitely one to look at. If you're willing to get past the kind of harsh opening that this one has, at least probably for like the first 20 seconds or so, when compared to the by Kilian, then I think this is definitely a worthy pickup. And again, you're getting twice the amount of juice for this one than what you're getting with the by Kilian, and you're only paying like $20 for this particular fragrance. So definitely let me know, have you smelled by Kilian's Rolling in Love? Let me know if you smelled this particular fragrance by Emper Perfumes, Falling in Love. And let me know how close you think these two are in comparison to each other. All right. So again, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also leave a like and a comment below. Also share the video if you found this information helpful. And that's Jamar from Vegas Scents. I'll see y'all in the next video.